BYD's Dolphin offers great value in the compact electric car segment, providing a practical solution for first-time EV buyers. These affordable electric cars are pushing boundaries with improved battery technology, longer ranges, and faster charging. With most options under $40,000, advanced driver assistance, and zero tailpipe emissions, plus expanding charging networks and government incentives, electric vehicle ownership has never been more accessible. The future of affordable electric vehicles is here today. Affordable electric cars are no longer a dream for the future. They're here today and improving every year. Whether you're looking for a compact car, a roomy SUV, or a city-friendly hatchback, there's an affordable electric vehicle that suits your needs. Let us know which one you choose in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the future of electric cars. Check out our other videos on electric SUVs and future car technologies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see. The electric SUV market has exploded, with 2025 shaping up to be a game-changing year. Today, we're breaking down the top electric SUVs you need to watch, covering performance, luxury, and adventure-ready options. First up, the Tesla Model X, still the benchmark for electric SUV performance. The Plaid version rockets from 0-60 in just 2.5 seconds, all while seating up to 7. Inside, you get a massive display, futuristic yoke steering, and access to Tesla's supercharger network. Advanced driver assist features and constant software updates keep it ahead of the curve. If you want a tech-packed, high-performance family hauler, the Model X remains tough to beat. The Rivian R1S is the electric SUV